Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Anurag. Today I am going to work around with a div which is horizontally and vertically scrollable. As you can see that I have a container which has some paragraphs. If I go to the footer side, you can see there are some cards and these cards are horizontally scrollable. So how to achieve it, I will tell you. So let's go to the Visual Studio. Here you can see that I have two files. One is HTML file, another is CSS file, and I have already linked my CSS file to my HTML file. So I will start by creating a div. I will give the class name as container, and inside this container I will put my paragraphs. So all those paragraphs I have already written, so I will just copy paste it so that we can save some time, and I will just paste here. And now I will just dispose the port and I will go live again so that I can check the real-time changes. And here our work is looking like this. So now what we need to do, we need to do some CSS styling. So I will make some styling here. I will make the margin 0. I will set the padding 0. Display would be flex. And here like height would be this, and let's see. Okay, now this is the default thing, and now I will work around with the container, and here I will add some styling. So I will make, first of all I will make the background color aquamarine, so that yeah, now our background is changed. Now here I will just set the width of it like 350 pixel, and height would be like 450 pixels. Now let's just check how it is looking. So yeah, now it is looking like this. We want all this at the center, so for that we need to do one more thing, which is like here I will align the items at the center. Yeah, so I want it at the center from all the four sides, top, bottom, left, right. So I will make the container like justify content center. Okay, it is not working, so like here I will make like justify content center. Yeah, it should work now. Yeah, now it is working. So as you can see that all the paragraphs that I have added inside the container, it is already inside the container. There is no overflow. So in order to just show you, I will just add one more paragraph so that we can see some overflow. Now you can see the text is overflowing. It is going outside of that container. So how we can restrict it, because we don't want it, right? We want everything, whatever we want to add in our container, we want it inside only. So in order to do that, we need to set the property text overflow hidden, and I will make the overflow vertical direction to scroll so that we can scroll it. Now you can see all the paragraphs are inside our container, even the overflow one also. The text which was overflow is now inside our container. So vertical scrolling is working fine. Now we need to work around with the paragraph So I will add some styling to the paragraph also. So I will add some padding like 20 pixel, and I will set the property text align to center. Let's see how it is looking. Okay, now it is looking like this. I don't want that. I will make it justify. Yeah, now it is looking cool, similar to our output. So now we'll set some more properties like font family. I will change to this sans Verdana, sans serif Verdana, and font weight would be like lighter, because we want everything lighter. Now it is looking as according to our output. Now vertical scrolling is all working. Now I will add the footer part also, that card thing. So I will go to the HTML file, and here I will add one more div. I will name the class cards. So inside this cards, actually it is a container. So inside this container I will add one more, I will add 4 cards. I will name it like cards item. I want 4 cards, so I will copy paste it 3 more times, so that I have 4 cards, and I will name them like, I will add something inside these cards like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's just check how it is looking. So now it is looking like this. So we need to play around this card now. So first of all, I will add some styling to this cards container, cards, and here I will make like display play, display. I'll make it display flex, and here I will align the items to the center, and here I will give I will not set any background. Okay, I will set the background color to aquamarine, same as the main container. Yeah, now it is looking like this. So now I will work around with the cards items. I will check the class name, cards item. Yeah, cards item. So here I will add some more styling, like here I will give the padding 50 pixels, 100 pixels, and I will give the background color FFF5EC. Now let's check how it is looking. So it is looking like this, and if I'm scrolling it horizontally, you can see our text is also scrolling horizontally, which is that we don't want, right? So in order to stop this, what we need to do, we need to just again add the text overflow property hidden, and this time what I need to do, I will just set the overflow X, which is targeting to the horizontal scroll bar. I will make it scroll. Now let's just check. I will refresh. Now I'm scrolling horizontally. Now our cards are scrolling horizontally only. So that is what we wanted. So we want some space between each card. So for that, what we need to do, we need we will add some margin first, like margin like 35 pixels, and here also I will add some padding like 20 pixel, 20 pixel. Okay, to remove this semicolon. And now display flex I have given, hidden also given. Now let's just check. Yeah, I have some space between each cards. Now you can see these cards have border which has no border radius. So I will add some border radius in order to look like this. So it will create some curve at the border side. So in order to achieve it, I will add some border radius here. So border radius would be like 25 pixels. Let's check now. So yeah, it is looking like this. I will add some font size also. I will increase the font size like 25 pixels, or I make it 20 pixels. Okay, okay, I will just make it like 60. Yeah, now its size increased. So there is no need of font size. So yeah, it is working fine. Horizontal scroll bar is also working fine. Vertical scroll bar is also working fine. So now we need to work around with the scroll bar style. Before that, I want this card to stay in the middle of it, because it is showing more to the left side. So in order to fix it, I will just increase this padding like 110 pixels. I think it is more now. I will make it 105 pixels. Yeah, now it's cool. It is at the center. So yeah, it is cool. So now we will work around with the scroll bar styling. So for that, what I need to do, I will just set like WebKit scroll bar. Here I will manipulate the width of that scroll bar. So I will make it like 5 pixels, and I need to target to the thumb of the scroll bar. So for that I need to add like a WebKit scroll bar thumb. Here it is, and here I will change the background color of the scroll bar, which would be like brown. And one more thing, I will add like border radius, so that there will be some curve at the side of corners. So it would be like 2 pixels. Now let's see. Yeah, if I will zoom in, you can see it has some borders. So it is working fine. At this moment you must have thinking, if we are done with the manipulation of scroll bar, so why the horizontal scroll bar is not changing? I will tell you here that horizontal scroll bar is opposite to the vertical scroll bar. So for the height of the horizontal scroll bar, it would be like width, and width would become height. So if I will manipulate the height here, so it will target the width of the horizontal bar. So you can see here, now it is working fine. If I will refresh here, now you can see there is another card which is partially showing. So what I will do, I will increase the padding here. I will make it 15. Let's see. Yeah, now it is cool. It is working fine. What else we need to do? We need to add this heading and this horizontal line. So in order to do that, I will go to the HTML file, and here I will create one h3 tag, and here I will give a scrollable div. This is the heading name, and for horizontal line I will use the HR tag, and let's see how it is looking. Oh, this is, yeah. So I want this scrollable div at the center. So in order to do that, I will add some bootstrap class. So before doing that, I will add the CDN of bootstrap 5 into my project. So here, this is the bootstrap CSS link. So here you can copy it and paste it in your HTML file. So now you can use the bootstrap classes directly. So here I will add the class display flex justify content center. Now I'll just see. So now it is at the center, but it is more toward at the top. So in order to fix it, I will add some margin, like margin top 2. Yeah, so now it is a little bit down. So yeah, it is acceptable. So now we want here one more horizontal line. So in order to do that, I will add here one more HR tag, and finally we got what we wanted. Okay, I will decrease this, say, padding again, like 108 pixels. Yeah, now it is at somewhat center, or I will just make 102 pixel. Yeah, now it is at center. Yeah, cool, it is working fine. And yeah, there are some border radius also in the main container. As you can see here in our output, there are some border radius. So in order to do that, we will go to the main container and add the border radius there. Border radius like 3 pixels, and here we are getting the border radius also. So now we got what we wanted. So I'm done with this video. If you like this video, so just like and comment something, and if you want such kind of videos, let me know. Till then, stay in touch with me. Thank you very much.